Let us read question number 4 in exercise 8.2. The question is ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. BD is the diagonal and E is the midpoint of AD. A line is drawn through E parallel to AB, intersecting BC at F, so that F is the midpoint of BC. Okay, they have given that this E is the midpoint of AD. So we have to prove that this F is the midpoint of BC. Okay. So now they have given that AB is parallel to DC. It is given. It is also given that EF is parallel to AB. You can see here EF is parallel to AB. So naturally this EF is parallel to DC. Okay. So it is given. So this is so this line is parallel to this DC. Okay. So we know the theorem. The theorem states a line through the midpoint of a side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Okay. So let us take this theorem. Now let us take this triangle in triangle. Okay. ABD. Okay. Triangle ABD is the midpoint of a side AD. Okay, this triangle ABD. Okay, E is the midpoint of this one side. Okay, this side for AD, this E is the midpoint. That the theorem states that a line through the midpoint of a side of a triangle parallel to another side. Okay, this side is parallel to another side bisect the third side. This is the third side. Okay, so DB is the third side. DB is the third side. Okay, the theorem states that it bisect the third side. So naturally S is the midpoint of DB. Okay, so now we have proved that E is the midpoint and S is the midpoint of DB. Okay, from here we will start to next step. Okay, now let us take this triangle. Okay, DBC. In a triangle DBC, S is the midpoint of one side. Okay, one side DB. Okay, now this S is the midpoint of this side DB. The theorem states that as per the theorem, okay, so this side okay, it is a midpoint. Here line is drawn. This EF is drawn here. This EF is parallel to DC. So we already proved here. Okay, so you can see here. So this EF is parallel to DC. So as per the theorem, a line through the midpoint of a side of a triangle parallel to another side. Here it is parallel DC bisect the third side. Okay, so it bisect the third side. So naturally F is the midpoint. Okay, so F is the midpoint of BC, proved by the theorem. Okay, proved by the above theorem. Okay, so first through this midpoint we proved this is a midpoint and based on this midpoint we proved this is a midpoint. Okay, the question is very simple. Okay, thank you.